It's Ryan here from HITFAR, and today on Product Spotlight, we're going to be talking about the Samsung Black Convertible wireless charger with travel adapter. Now, this Qi-enabled wireless charging device features 2 amp fast charging and can universally charge any Qi-enabled devices. It comes with a USB 2.0 Type-C cable and a fast charging travel adapter. The new luxurious design is soft and plush, making this a charger that no one would be afraid to have out on the table in the living room or even at your office desk. The convertible design, it really allows you to move this and take it anywhere. You can have it sitting down flat, put your phone on it. You can also have it standing up when you're watching your favorite YouTube clips. It's just a really nice convertible unit, and it's easy to take anywhere with you. It's also great to have a compact unit like this for any sort of traveling, throwing it into your carry-on or into your luggage. It just makes it that much easier. 10 minutes of fast charging with a Samsung device is going to give you 120 minutes of talk time, or roughly 60 minutes of watching your favorite YouTube clips. The Samsung Convertible Wireless Qi charger is really for any professional in need of a premium charger that won't stick out like a sore thumb in their office, and it's basically for any brand-conscious customers out there looking to rep their favorite Samsung gear. The convertible wireless charger comes in at $129.99 MSRP, and it's available on hitfar.com right now. So go check it out, guys. So that is the Samsung Black Convertible wireless charger with travel adapter included. Until next time, guys, I'm Ryan from HITFAR, and this has been Product Spotlight.